stand into position next. Get the feet parallel, hip width distance apart, all the toes pointing straight ahead. We start off in mountain pose. Take a few moments there to settle into the shoulder girdle, the hips, and into the soles of your feet. And your next inhalation, take the arms up alongside the ears, lengthen the navel. Exhale, bend the knees, hinge at the hip, lead with the chest on the way down, and then relax the neck at the very end of that exhale. Slide the hands up the legs, straighten your arms, lengthen the sternum away from your belly button. Exhale, go back into the deep forward fold. You might bend the knees a little bit more. Inhale, sweep the arms to the side. Come up with a strong back. Touch the palms over your head again. And then exhale back into Tadasana. We'll continue here. Inhale, arms up. Connect your breath with your movement. Exhale. We take that deep forward fold, knees generously bent, belly on top of thighs, relax the neck at the end. Halfway up, hands slide up the legs until we can get nice long feeling in the torso. We deepen the forward fold, get into a little flexion in the spine as long as it feels okay. And come all the way back up with a strong back. Full breath in, touch the palms over the head, neutral spine as you end up in mountain pose. Do this anywhere between 5 and 7 rounds. Take your time. No rush. After those 5 to 7 rounds, take a couple of breaths in mountain pose for observation.